Hey, YouTubers. Let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours making a video, hit upload, and then watched it disappear into the algorithm void? What if you had an AI-powered co-pilot that told you what to post, when to post, and how to make your videos actually show up in search? Well, that tool exists. It's called vidIQ, and it might just change the way you grow on YouTube forever. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use vidIQ to grow faster, rank higher, and create smarter. Hi, I'm Samantha, your friendly AI explainer here to help creators like you master the tools that actually move the needle. So what is vidIQ? It's a powerful suite of tools, available as a browser extension, mobile app, and web dashboard, built specifically to help YouTubers grow. From SEO optimization to AI-powered content ideas, vidIQ gives you data-backed suggestions to make better videos and get them in front of the right eyes. It's trusted by thousands of creators, from beginners to full-time pros. Let's talk features. And trust me, this is where vidIQ gets really cool. At this time, vidIQ offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to help YouTube creators optimize their content, grow their audience, and manage their channels. These features are often categorized by whether they are available on the web dashboard or through the browser extension, and some are exclusive to paid plans, Boost, or coaching. Here's a breakdown of vidIQ's key features. Video optimization and SEO keyword research tool helps find the best YouTube keywords to target. It provides search volume, related score, competition score, and an overall score for keywords. Rising keywords identifies keywords with increasing search interest. Recommended tags suggests relevant tags for your videos to improve discoverability. Top keywords shows the most successful keywords for your channel. Controversial keywords helps identify and avoid keywords that might lead to demonetization. Video optimization checklist provides actionable insights to improve your video's SEO before publishing, including optimal length for titles, descriptions, and tags. SEO scorecard analyzes your video's optimization and provides a score showing how well your content is positioned to attract viewers. Title recommendations suggests catchy and SEO-friendly titles for your videos. Description generator uses AI to generate video descriptions based on keywords. Thumbnail generator editor helps create compelling thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Includes an AI thumbnail builder. Bulk SEO allows for optimizing multiple videos at once. Channel-wide tags helps manage and optimize tags across your entire channel. AI video content generator tools to assist in generating video content ideas, scripts, and backgrounds. Analytics and performance tracking, real-time stats. BAR provides live analytics for your channel, including views, subscribers, and comments. Video scorecard offers in-depth data on individual videos, including views, engagement, likes, shares, comments, social engagement across platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and SEO feedback. Views per hour, VPH, tracks the velocity of views in real time to identify trending content. Outlier score identifies videos that are significantly outperforming your channel's average. Channel audit tool provides an in-depth review of your channel's strengths and weaknesses, offering actionable suggestions for improvement. Subscriber analysis collects viewer data from a subset of subscribers to understand their viewing habits, even when they're not watching your content. Top playlists monitors the performance of your channel's playlists. Conversion rates helps analyze and improve conversion rates for revenue and leads. Historical data provides a timeline of how a video has performed since its upload. Competitor research and trending content. Competitors tool allows you to compare your channel's performance against competing channels, providing insights into their strategies. Trending videos tool discovers trending YouTube videos across specific topics, niches, or locations. Most viewed tool helps identify the most popular videos on YouTube based on various filters. Trend alerts Provides alerts on trending topics relevant to your niche. Compare views. Allows comparing the view velocity of your videos against any other video, channel, or playlist on YouTube. Content planning and productivity. Personalized daily ideas. Generates daily video ideas tailored to your channel's niche and audience, based on what's performing well. Best time to post. Determines the optimal time to publish your videos based on when your subscribers are most active. YouTube comments. Management. Helps filter and manage comments, including identifying valuable comments for engagement. Auto-generated replies to comments. Assists in generating quick replies to comments. Achievements. Tracks channel milestones, e.g., subscriber counts, view milestones, and generates shareable certificates. Advanced Embed. Provides advanced embedding options for your videos. AI Coach. A personal AI assistant that can answer questions about your videos, channel, or other YouTube-related matters. Blueprints. Allows saving content strategies and templates for reuse. Monetization Tracker. Helps monitor your channel's monetization progress. Other features: vidIQ Lessons, Academy. Access to educational resources and masterclasses from top creators to learn YouTube growth strategies. Basic AI Chat, Advanced AI Chat. AI-powered chat functionality for various queries. CSV export of video data. Exports video data for further analysis. Title and description translations. Translates titles and descriptions to reach a wider audience. YouTube Studio integration. Integrates seamlessly with YouTube Creator Studio. It's important to note that the availability and depth of some features, e.g., unlimited access, number of daily ideas, competitor slots, AI chat capabilities, may vary significantly depending on the vidIQ plan, free boost coaching, you are subscribed to. That's like having a full-time YouTube strategist without paying agency rates. So who's this for? Students using YouTube to explain ideas, gamers who want to trend on walkthroughs, vloggers, educators, marketers, entrepreneurs. If you create content, vidIQ helps you do it better. You'll save hours on planning, research, and guessing. You'll also get better performance insights, SEO recommendations, and video ideas that match what people are actually searching for. It's not just about more views, it's about smart growth. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, whether you have 10 subscribers or $10,000, vidIQ is built for you. It's also great for agencies, brands, and social media managers who manage multiple channels. Basically, if YouTube matters to you, vidIQ should be in your toolkit. Now let's talk money. vidIQ has a free plan, which gives you the basics: browser extension, video scorecard, and live stats. But for features like AI titles, daily ideas, and in-depth analytics, you'll need a paid plan. Plans start around $10 for Pro, with upgrades for Boost and Max tiers. And yes, they often run annual discounts. Okay, real talk. It's not perfect. The free plan is limited. Most of the AI magic is behind the paywall. Keyword scores are estimates, not guarantees. And AI-generated titles still need a human touch to make them truly click-worthy. So think of it as your guide, not a replacement for your creative instincts. Here's how I'd use vidIQ if I were just starting out. Install the browser extension. Chrome is best. Use the scorecard to analyze your top 5 videos. Generate 3 to 5 new title options with the AI tool. Try the Daily Ideas tab every morning for 1 week. Track competitors who post in your niche and learn from what works. Remember, it's not about copying. It's about learning what connects with your audience. So, what's the bottom line? vidIQ isn't just another YouTube tool. It's like having an AI strategist in your back pocket, helping you grow smarter, not just harder. If you've been struggling with views, unsure what to post next, or just want a little help turning your channel into something big, vidIQ is worth checking out. I've linked it in the description so you can try it for free. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tool reviews, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge on YouTube right now? Catch you in the next one!